This is about building futures.
For a world where every woman can thrive. It's up to us to take steps today.
We must challenge the status quo.
How we see our potential.
The opportunities around us, everything we learn.
Every skill we acquire shapes our tomorrow.
We need to advance with purpose.
With resilience, collaboration.
And real impactful action.
Without empowerment, growth is hollow.
For a better tomorrow is about women learning.
And uplifting each other to create real change.
We won't take any opportunity for granted.
We won't just wait to see what's next.
We will create our own paths.
For the women of KP.
For the women of KP.
For the women of KP.
We will do it because we believe in our future.
Because we can make a difference.
Because of her.
Because of you.
Because of us, if we look ahead with courage.
We can act for a brighter future.
Dedicated to the women of KP.